day we're doing everything that has to do with the materials and things like that. So now we're at the ADINKRA village where they make the ADINKRA cloth, where they put the stamping on the different materials. But wait, have you subscribed? Have you liked? Have you dropped an emoji for me? Have you shared it with a friend? Please support the movement, okay? So walk with me as I show you the ADINKRA village, which this is ADINKRA, which is a special art, as like I said, with Kente. So ADINKRA is a form of that.
Here, this village, we call it in Tonso. This village that we prepared the natural dye. And my grandfather was the founder. He brought this work to this family. So it's generation after generation. My grandfather got 90 years before he passed away. And this tree, you can't find it in the Ashanti region here, from the Savannah area. There is a village there called Amanten, or I think that you can find this tree. Because when you grow it here, because of the soil in the Ashanti region, it's not good.
Wow, okay.
But that place is very good. That's where we have packed it over there in the
those
sun.
are the trees. Oh, okay.
So we have some people who used to bring it.
Yeah.
And there people, they don't know how to use it. So my grandfather go there and found this tree and came home and realized with his brothers to find how to get a dye from it. And at the same time, it's also good for malaria. Or if you have diarrhea, you can add ginger to it, then you take like a tea.
Okay.
You chew it, then you swallow the juice.
Yeah.
So when we bring it, it's very hard. You see how it is? It's very hard. So when we bring it, it's the bark. And the name of the tree is called Badie tree. We don't have an English name.
Badie tree.
Badie tree, and it's spelled B-A-D-I-E.
Okay.
Badie tree. It grows short. It looks like a mango tree. So when we bring it, it's very hard. We have this barrel here. We have water inside. Then we break it into pieces. We soak it for about 30 minutes so that it will be soft. Then we bring them to the big mortar. We pound it like fufu. It all depends on your strength. You can use your one hand or two hands. So whilst you keep on pounding, then it's turning to get soft. So we used to pound it one after the other. Now you prepare the first dye. And you know this, that's the car engine blocks.
Yes.
This long last, that's why we use this for the seat.
Yeah.
Then we buy firewood, then we set the fire. So we add clean water to the back, then we keep on boiling it. Whilst we keep on boiling it, it's mixed this way. The back is mixed with the water.
Yes.
So we only need the juice, that's the dye. So we have to strain it.
Okay.
We have the net, then we strain it or we sieve it this way.
Okay.
So the particles will be on top of the net. And this is the first color that you get. It's like brown or coffee color.
Yeah.
This is the first day of the boiling.
Yeah.
We boil it again?
Yeah. And the back, when I keep it here, a very cool place.
Yeah.
And in the morning I put water on it, in the evening. For 1 week, it grows edible mushroom.
Oh,
from
wow.
the back.
Oh, wow.
Mushroom?
So there's a bacteria already in it. There has to be some kind of thing inside.
It's natural. You can use it for soup or for stew.
Okay.
You get mushroom.
I never liked mushrooms. I never liked mushrooms.
So we send the first bag back to fire again. So we keep on boiling. This is the second day. You see? You see how it's getting dark. This is the second day. So we keep on boiling it for 4 days.
Okay.
So when you boil big one like this, then it reduces. It keeps on reducing for you to get a small pot thick one.
More concentrated.
Yeah. So we leave it on fire day and night. Then we get a final dye. So let's go out and see
the final dye. Okay.
Final dye. Pencil to draw it, and one of my uncle also carved the symbol because it's family business. He's the only carver in the whole Ghana here that used to carve the symbols. So he takes some to the Accra Center in Cape Coast. So this is the first symbol which was carved first. This is leadership, ADINKRA. This symbol is the king of all the ADINKRA symbol. And this one is very common. I hope you can tell me the meaning. Yeah, except God. God is the controller of the universe. And we have Sankofa, that's back to your roots. We have 3 types of Sankofa. This is the bird returning. And this is the heart. This Sankofa, back to your roots. This symbol, one meaning. This is the old. These 2 are the new ones. And this, we have a new symbol you cannot find on the charts. It was created by my grandfather before he passed away last 3 years. This is power of love. Don't hear feel power of love.
Power of love?
Yeah, power of love. This is also symbol of charity. You help me and I help you. One and I'm in wow. And this is change your life. Symbol of repentance. Sisao Subai. Change your life. And this is the final that you see how it tends to be black like this. And this is only meant. It's hot, but I always touch it, so I'm used to it. So this is the final that you get. It tends to be black, thick like this. So when you get this, you have your ADINKRA symbol, you have your kente strip. You can print and make your own design that you like. And this dye is only meant for printing, not for hair dye, for tattoo. And this, when I put this on your cloth, when you wash, it stays. But for my hand, it's easy for me to wash. So when you come, we give you opportunity, you look through the charts, you pick your favorite 2 or 3 symbols that you like. And these are